The typical whitening methods out there can be pretty harsh on your enamel. So, today, I'm sharing 6 natural ways to get those shiny teeth using ingredients you can feel good about. You might have heard of oil pulling. It's an ancient Ayurvedic practice that helps detox and cleanse the body. But did you know it can also help whiten your teeth? Plus, it fights tooth decay and gum disease. Traditionally, sesame oil was used, but coconut oil works just as well and is super easy to find. It's got monolaurin, which is great for fighting the bacteria that causes tooth decay. To do this, grab some high-quality, extra virgin coconut oil. Take about a tablespoon and swish it around in your mouth for 20 minutes. Make sure to move it around all over your mouth, through your teeth, under your tongue, and above your teeth. Don't swallow it. After 20 minutes, spit it out and rinse your mouth. This helps pull out bacteria, fungi, and viruses from your whole body, and if you stick with it, your teeth will definitely start to look whiter. Here's something you might not expect: kaolin clay. It's got a low RDA, relative din and abrasivity score, which means it's super gentle on your teeth, and it's a natural polish and stain remover. Plus, it's loaded with calcium, silica, zinc, and magnesium, making it perfect for people with sensitive teeth. To use clay, just put a little bit on your toothbrush and start brushing, beginning with your front teeth. Let it mix with your saliva, and make sure to get all around your mouth. Do this for 2 to 4 minutes, spit it out, and rinse. You'll see results in no time. Baking soda is one of those underrated ingredients that works wonders. It's great for whitening teeth because it's got a low RDA score like clay, so it won't damage your enamel. Here's how to use it. Take a pinch of baking soda and put it in a small bowl. Add just a little bit of purified water to make a paste. Don't make it too runny. Dip your toothbrush into the mixture and brush your teeth, starting with the molars and working your way to the front. After you're done, rinse your mouth with water. Do this 1 to 2 times a week, and your teeth will definitely look whiter. I know, activated charcoal might sound a little weird when it comes to whitening your teeth, but it's actually amazing for removing toxins without hurting your body. Plus, it's totally safe to swallow, just not with vitamins or supplements though. Charcoal can absorb the nutrients. To use it, wet your toothbrush, dip it into the charcoal, and start brushing in small, gentle circles for about 2 minutes. Be careful, it's messy. Afterward, rinse really well, and if you still see any black residue, you can brush with regular toothpaste to get rid of it. Yes, you read that right. Turmeric can whiten your teeth. It's a root known for its anti-inflammatory properties, and while it's a bit messy to use, it won't stain your teeth when done properly. Here's how to use it. Wet your toothbrush and dip it into about 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Brush your teeth like you normally would, but don't rinse right away. Let it sit in your mouth for 3 to 5 minutes, then brush with toothpaste to get rid of any leftover yellow residue. Alternatively, you can mix 2 parts turmeric, 1 part coconut oil, and 1 part baking soda into a paste. Store it in a cool place and use it just like the turmeric powder. You'll see a brighter smile in no time. Hydrogen peroxide is something your body already makes in small amounts, but you can use a diluted solution to whiten your teeth. Just make sure it's between 1 to 1.5% concentration. Anything stronger than that can harm your teeth. To use it, swish a diluted hydrogen peroxide solution around your mouth for 3 to 5 minutes, then spit and rinse. A quick reminder, getting white teeth isn't an overnight thing. If you cut back on coffee, soda, wine, and other stain-causing drinks, and stick with some of these methods, you'll start seeing a wider smile over time. Patience is key.